Carol Ann says, I was given 50 pounds of potatoes and half were green. Are they safe to eat once boiled or baked?
Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com.
Okay, if you get green potatoes, they are perfectly safe to eat, but you need to peel them. Now, I don't know how true or not this is, but they say that the green is toxic. I don't know if it actually is or not.
But they also say you can peel them, and it's
But
perfectly
once you
fine.
just peel it off.
I do it all the time. We do it all the time. Yeah.
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. Probably half the potatoes I use are green.
Yeah, me too.
And I just peel them and mash them or fry them or,
Cook them like normal then.
Yeah, anything like that. So if you have green potatoes, don't be afraid to use them.
Yeah.
I would not let them go to waste by any means.